Hey, I'm Jacob, Body by Jake, and I've got a great exercise tip for you today to work the tricep. My goodness, the emails keep pouring in, and everybody wants to work the old trimins. So here's a beauty for you. The Broomstick tricep chest press. Here we go. Julie's gonna show us how we do it. Elbows up. Hands are gonna be in close now because we wanna work the tricep, not the pecs. So we're gonna press it straight out and we're gonna bring it in. Stomach tight, squeeze that buttissimo. Feet are shoulder width apart. We're gonna resist on the way out, isometrics, and bring it in. Don't need a lot of weight. No big dumbbells, no big weights, no big bands. Your broomstick. And you just believing you can do it. Nice and easy. Look how perfect this exercise is. Take it at your own pace, work those trimins, stick to the fight when your hardest hit. It's when things seem worst that you must not quit. Don't quit. Have a great day.